Antioxidants play a crucial role in maintaining our health by neutralizing harmful free radicals and reducing oxidative stress in the body. Chia seeds are a powerhouse of antioxidants, making them a valuable addition to your diet for overall well-being. The antioxidants in chia seeds, such as flavonoids and polyphenols, help combat oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can wreak havoc on our cells, leading to inflammation, aging, and various diseases. By consuming antioxidant-rich foods like chia seeds, you can protect your cells from this damage and support your body's natural defense mechanisms. Chia seeds' antioxidants fight free radicals, promote skin health, and boost the immune system. The skin is our body's largest organ and is constantly exposed to environmental stressors that can accelerate aging and damage skin cells. Incorporating antioxidant-rich foods like chia seeds into your diet can help protect your skin from oxidative damage, maintain its elasticity, and promote a healthy, glowing complexion. They help reduce inflammation, enhance immune cell function, and protect against infections and diseases. If you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. The versatility of chia seeds in culinary applications makes it easy to incorporate them into a wide range of dishes for optimal nutrition. You can sprinkle chia seeds over yogurt or cereal, mix them into smoothies or baked goods, or use them as a thickening agent in soups or sauces. Chia seeds can also make chia pudding, energy bars, or homemade granola for a nutritious and satisfying snack. By including chia seeds in your diet and exploring their culinary potential, you can harness these tiny seeds' mineral content and overall nutrition profile to support your health and well-being. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the wonders of chia seeds in this video. Chia seeds are a powerhouse of antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, weight loss properties, and rich mineral content. These tiny seeds are packed with nutrients that can support your health, from protecting your cells from damage to promoting heart health, brain function, and weight management. Including chia seeds in a balanced diet can boost your antioxidant intake, support cardiovascular health, enhance brain function, and aid in weight loss efforts. These versatile seeds offer a good balance of macronutrients, fiber, protein, and essential minerals, making them a valuable addition to any meal or snack. It is essential to prioritize your health and well-being by incorporating nutrient-rich foods like chia seeds into your daily diet. Whether you sprinkle them over your morning yogurt, blend them into a smoothie, or use them in baking recipes, chia seeds can easily be integrated into a wide range of dishes for optimal nutrition. We encourage you to take action today by trying out chia seed recipes, experimenting with different ways to incorporate chia seeds into your meals, and exploring the culinary versatility of these nutrient-packed seeds. Subscribe to our channel for more nutritional content, tips, and recipes to support your health journey, and remember to share this video with others who can benefit from the wonders of chia seeds. Together, let's embrace the power of chia seeds and nourish our bodies for a healthier and happier life. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to sharing more nutritional insights with you in the future.